Hello friends, my name is Neha Tyagi and my channel name is Complex to Real. As the name suggests, I'm going to talk about some complex thing and some simple thing. So the thing is that the mathematical concepts we are going to talk about, and the main discussion will be on the tricks and methods which are very helpful for you to crack some competitive exams like CAT, GATE, CSIR, NET Mathematics also. There are other exams like IIT JEE, IIT JEE Advanced. So many type of competitions which actually uses these concepts and very easy to understand. If you know the rules and methods, then you can calculate everything very easily. So the very basic thing which I am going to talk about in the starting is roots. So what is roots is, I have written already one equation, that is a quadratic equation, as you can see, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So if I am saying that x equal to alpha and x equal beta are the roots, so basically I am saying that f alpha will be 0 and f beta would also be 0. Okay, as you know that the degree of the polynomial is 2. Am I right? Do you understand the degree? As you can see, the maximum power of this function fx is nothing but 2. So definitely the degree of the polynomial fx is 2. Definitely I can say number of roots is 2. Okay, when I know that what is roots and how many number of roots are possible for a particular polynomial, then I want to come to the main topic which I'm going to discuss, that is main topic is this. So what is this? So as you can see in the video that Descartes' rule of sign is nothing but when I have a polynomial, suppose px is given, and if I say that n is the number of sign changes in either px or p minus x, then number of positive or negative roots may be equal to n, n minus 2, n minus 4, n minus 6, etc. So this definition is looking little bit difficult to understand, but it will be very easy for you when I will give you some examples. So directly I come to my example number 1, that is fx x square plus 1. So I have this example, and in my exam it has been asked that find the real roots, find the complex roots, like how many real roots are possible, how many complex roots are possible. In real roots, how many positive real roots are possible, how many negative real roots are possible. So first of all, you need to understand, you have to follow a particular method to understand these things. That method I'm going to explain you very nicely. Please just look at this. So coefficients of this fx, okay, coefficients. So first coefficient is positive, right? Second coefficient is again plus 1, that is also positive. So what can I say? No sign change in the coefficients, both are positive. What is my conclusion? Conclusion is no positive root. No positive root. Okay. Now I am saying f of negative x. Okay, what is f of negative x? So that is x square plus 1. The same. So my answer is also same. Again I have coefficients positive and positive. Again this is also positive coefficient. This is also positive coefficient. So no sign change in this also. What I can say? No negative root. Okay. So what is the conclusion? The conclusion is possible roots of fx are 2, you can understand because the degree is 2. No real root, right? No real root. So obviously there are 2 complex roots only. There are only 2 complex roots. Okay, so there is no real root possible for this example, and there are only 2 complex roots. Now I am suggesting you that please at your home try to find the roots for this polynomial, okay, and see whether you are getting 2 complex roots or not. If yes, then please comment and tell me what are those complex roots. If you are able to find, please tell me that what complex roots you are getting. Okay, one more example I want to discuss right now, and I hope it would be easier for you to understand the Descartes rule of sign with this example. Second example is fx 2x cube minus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so coefficients I will write. Coefficients are, first coefficient is 2, that is positive. Second coefficient is -1, negative. Third coefficient +1, positive. Fourth coefficient again +1, positive. Okay, there is a sign change. Yes, plus to minus. Another there is a sign change. Yes, minus to plus. Then plus to plus. So this is not a sign change. How many sign change you are able to see? 2 times. Sign change. Okay, so what are the possibilities? The possibilities are either 2 positive real roots or no real root. Why? Because possibility is, I told you before, n minus 2, n minus 4. These are the possibilities. Here n is nothing but 2, right? N is 2. So n minus 2 is 0, right? So either 2 positive real roots or no real root. Okay, there is one of the possibility can happen for this example. Now I will come to f of minus x. Okay, for negative of x, what is my polynomial right now? Minus 2x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Okay, so coefficients are negative, right? Negative 2, then minus 1, again negative. Okay, then again minus 1, negative, then plus 1, positive, right? So there is only one sign change. One sign change. I will write one sign change, right? Okay, so just tell me how many negative real root you are going to get. Definitely only one, because here the n is nothing but 1 and n minus 2 is 1 minus 2 is minus 1, which is not possible, right? So only 1, right? So I will write here the possibility is 1 negative real root. Okay, now please tell me how many roots are possible for this polynomial. Obviously, as you can see, the degree is 3. So how many possible roots for this polynomial? So possible roots are Possible roots are 3, definitely 3. Okay, if I am going to make a table to understand, okay, what are the possibilities? Okay, positive real root, negative real root, okay, and complex roots. Only one of these is possible. Okay, so as you can see, either 2 or no, right? So either 2. Okay, one negative real root is compulsory. Okay, you cannot change this. So one negative root here also, one negative real root here also. You cannot change. Total possible roots are 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So there is no complex roots in this case. But if you have either 2 positive real roots or no real root. So when there is no real, no real positive. Either 2 positive real roots or no positive real root. Here I have to change, and I can say no positive real root. So I would say here 0. If it is 0, then how many is remaining? 2 plus 1, 3. 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3. So either this is possible or this is possible. So I am leaving it to you that please calculate on Symbolab calculator, or there is eMath help calculator or any calculator, and check whether you are getting this as an answer or this as an answer. Please check and tell me that which one is correct, the second one or the first one. But definitely one of this is correct for this question. Okay, thank you. If there are any feedback or any confusion about this topic, you can suggest me. It will be helpful for me for making further videos. Thank you.